Okurujerwa hari RCC wa Fort Portal Asumini Nasike okushomesa abeji omucyumuro n'ikende biragiro bya Ministry by'obwegese n'emizano. Ebi abigambire obu abeire ari haishomero rya St Peter and Paul Primary School obu abebembezi babire nibakwasa omurimo ahari contractor ahirwe omurimo gwo kuhunduza ebyombeko by'abeji kushomeramo.
Holiday teaching, and of course the other one of PTA, which you people have become stubborn. But the directive of holiday teaching against holiday teaching stands. We discussed it in the Security Committee and we have resolved not to compromise any learner, any school.
Abasomesa n'aba teachers amasomero gona gasete ahabuko abana bageze mu ruhumuro tumara weekend turi mu ruhumuro mureka abana bikarahaka bakoremera umwende ya haka.
Nasike ajizirengu abubona abarakwatwe barukushomesa beji omucyumuro nibeja kutwarwa barebane n'ekiragiro.
A directive is a directive. It is a command. It has no compromise. Should we get a head teacher that is going to involve themselves in teaching children in this holiday, we shall not hesitate to arrest. As a Security Committee, we have sat and dissolved.
Okurujerwa hari Charles Kamwenge ori inspector w'amashomero omuri Fort Portal City omuzogu gwizire nugubaho kandi guhikire kurekeraho.
We are almost coming to 1 week abana bahumwire tukatungire cases kugamba ngo haro abantu abarukusomesa habukuba bali nibenda kitandika tukabawoninga twarabyama na sacura ntuntera ngo hari ubusingi unlike last year or last holidays ziri habukuba tukasanga ngo abantu abayingi ikintu bali batachikwasire na amani.
We Ochena Ambrosi Altown Clerk wa Fort Portal City ajumirire omuzogundi ogu abashomesa kwoshayisha ahishomero amubwire bwo kushomesa ikintu ecyari kugira ngo nikigarura ebyo bwegese enyuma.
Some of our teachers just come and sign your book showing that they are present, then they go away. You monitor for us and you report to her, you report to me, because this thing must be like a stove.
Okuhunduza ebyombeko by'ishomereri erya gavumenti nikwija kumaraho miliyoni 81 kandi abazire b'ishomero eri nibagira ngo ekintu kija kubutura omutindo gw'ebyo bwegese ahishomereri.
Kiro kinu tubaitule mukoro gwo ku launchinga kurora isomero lenu baligarukamu ngo kumukolero linyunywenka abana abakwekura hansi bake batasobora kurora nibatembaho
kwa renovating isomero lyaitu lenu. Isomero rike myaka 10 plus betatu kura sazi twatunga mu yimbo guno gwa government yenu rero kutoha chance nsente twazitunga ndikora mu phases kwa twa renovating part yenu isomero.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki ahabwa Tayari West.